Hi, welcome to this next tutorial on the Ultimate Shooting System version 2. So in this one, I'm going to show you how to set up the projectiles. So in this case, I'm using it for a grenade. And these are really simple. All you got to do is just get the node, which I showed you how to do in the intro. Set up your spawn point, your montage mesh. The shooting direction, forward is forward only, so it will never go up, down, left, or right. It'll only go forward. This is usually used in top-down games. Control rotation is 3D. Uh, so with this, you'll set your projectile to spawn to grenade over here in the details panel. Okay, I have a grenade. You'll use whatever blueprint you have, and then you have the scale. And that's pretty much it for the projectiles. You're going to handle everything else yourself inside here with event hit and everything else regarding it. Just make sure you have the projectile movement component on. Okay, and set up so that the projectile will move. But that's pretty much it for projectiles. They're pretty simple. It's all on you to handle how you do hits and everything like that. I can't pre-make that with the component with projectiles. So that's pretty much it for projectiles. Thanks for watching. On to the next video now, which will be damage system.